Dad, I know you're sick. I just had something to tell you. I had this bad feeling about your new wife. I know I know she might be good for you, but she's just so mean to me. I'm sorry. Dad? Dad?
We're going to the club tonight, and you are.
Yes, Cinderella, you gotta clean the whole house. Look at you, you can't even clean or twerk. You thought? Finally, I can quit working and I can just relax in my bedroom. I really wish I could go to the club tonight, but my sisters are just so mean. Oh my gosh. I wish I had some friends besides them. What was that? I'm your friend. Who is that? What are you?
A mouse.
Oh, why are you here?
I made you a dress for the club. Look behind your wall.
Behind my wall?
Keep looking.
Wow! This is perfect! Oh my gosh, I can totally twerk in this! Oh my, thank you, little mouse!
You're welcome.
Look, Cinderella's trying to go to the club with us, guys.
Oh, that's ugly anyway.
So ugly. Let's rip it up.
Dress! They ruined it! God! Them sisters! I'll never be able to go to the club now. What am I gonna wear?
Don't cry. We're your fairy godfathers. We're not sure which one's your real dad, because your mama was a hoe, but we're here to give you a new dress. This is your new dress to the club. I think it's way more beautiful than the other dress.
I'm going to the club. I'm going to
Girl,
the
you should
club.
try it on.
Let's do it. This is perfect.
She gonna be looking fresh.
She's still kind of ugly.
Girl, you gotta be back by 4:30 or you gonna be butt naked in the middle of the club, girl.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and
Yo,
round.
little
Wheels on the bus go
mama.
round and round and round and round.
Hey, girl.
On trees, have sex with some trees, have sex with some trees. These hoes ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal. I'm still delivered. I'm yours.
It's 4:30, but I don't want to leave. Let's do this.
Oh, girl.
It's past 4:30. Oh my God, I really should have went home.
You girls know where our little mama went? She was dancing with me and she just vanished.
I don't know. You can dance with us.
I'd rather not. I heard some stuff about you guys. I find little mama because she was a hot little biscuit. God, give me some of that.
How you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear. Tell you a little something you might like to hear. You got a sexy body in your soft. Why I never touch you and see if it's soft. I'm just playing, let you say I can. And I'm known to be a real nasty man. And to say a closed mouth don't get fed. So I don't mind asking. You heard what I said? We need to make our way to the bed. And you can start using your head. You like to fuck off, have your legs open all in the butt. Do it up, slap it. Cause the sex get rough. Switch your position and ready to get down to business. So you can see what you've been missing. You might have had some, but you never had none like this. Just wait till you see my 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 I'm gonna beat that Bedelia. Wait till you see my wait till you see my wait till you see my I'm gonna beat that beat up like bam, bam. ladies see my I'm on beat that beat up. I'm big, I'm
Little Mama Dress! Ah, Little Mama fake ID. I got this. So I found Little Mama fake ID that she dropped at the club. I think I'm gonna go stalk some people on Facebook, see if I can match up some information. I'm gonna go to her house.
You should have been with us at the club last night.
It was so fun. There was this fine boy there too.
Yes, he was so fine.
God, he's so cute.
I think I'm gonna make him my sixth husband.
Now where could Little Mama be? That's not Little Mama, she ugly. Little Mama, she got that big booty. Oh, that's where she is? Okay. You lying, girl.
I never touch you and see if it's soft. I'm just playing, but she say I can't.
It's Cinderella.
Can't clean with it. You suck.
You thought?
Hey, yo girls. I need to find this girl right here. She like my little hot mama, you know what I'm trying to say?
That's me.
That's me.
It's definitely me.
Girl. Your hair ain't even the right color. You need to go back to the salon too. This batch. And you need to know, John, because your nose is like 5 times her size. What? I ain't even gonna look at you. Oh my God, Little Mama, it's you, Little Mama. This Little Mama right here. My Little Mama, come on, Little Mama, we leave you. Back to the club.
Okay.